Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB login not working. First, make sure that you're entering the correct user ID and PAC. Check before entering incorrect details several times may block access. Next, check your internet connection and then try logging in again. A weak connection can sometimes stop the login process. If you've forgotten your password, then click on the trouble logging in and then enter your registration number and reset PAC. You should also swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away completely, closing it, then reopen it. Problem continues. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for AIB Mobile, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes so updated. Now, if you forgotten your PAC, use the reset option in the app or AIB online banking website to create a new one. That's how you fix the AIB login not working. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.